In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Smart Life app from not working properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so we've got a number of different fixes what we can try. So I'm going to start with the most common fix. So fix number one is make sure the app is up to date. So open up your Player App Store, search for Smart Life app, make sure it is up to date. If it says update, go ahead and update the app. Now the next fix is to clear the app cache. So to do this, click and hold down on the application, click onto I to get into app info. From here, scroll down, click onto storage and clear on the cache. Now the third fix is to make sure you've got a working or a stable internet connection. So go ahead and try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that works. Now if we still having issues, go ahead and restart your phone and close the app. And last fix, if that doesn't fix it, we want to go ahead and uninstall the application. So to do this, go ahead and click and hold down the app, click on uninstall, go back to your Player App Store, re-download the application, and that should fix your issues.